I'm out here with the UPAir 2. I'm just going to take it up real easy, okay? Everybody knows what happened to my UPAir 1 the first time I ever flew that, right? Okay, it took a dump. So I'm just going to take it up here for a few minutes, check the motors, and check the video. I just want to see what the video looks like, and I want to see if the motors get hot or anything like that, or any motor failure or any crazy stuff, okay? So we're going to go with that. Okay, let me start some video. Okay, I think the video's running. It acts like it is. It doesn't count down or anything. So, I don't know if it is or not. Let me stop it. See if it does anything. I remember the other one, I used to always have to look on the camera to see this blue light flashing to know the video was working or not. Let me start it again. Okay, well, I guess it is, because the little symbol changes a little bit when you hit the video button. But there's no timer or nothing. You know, they didn't update the app. That was the weird thing about this. They never updated the app for the new quadcopter. So that was kind of stupid. So let's just take off and see what happens. I wish you guys could have seen that, because that thing just rocketed up there like 12 feet or maybe higher, like woo. It was kind of, wow, I haven't seen one. Good thing I didn't take that off inside. Boy, that thing would have went right off the ceiling, believe me. Now on the app, it does show you right here how much time's left on the battery. I don't know if you can see it or not, but right there it says 16 minutes. Then there's a little thing here showed up after I took off, and I don't know what that means, but I'm not doing anything with it. I just want to see if it's going to do any toilet bowling or anything. You know, calibrating the compass on these UPAir 1s is one of the hardest drones to calibrate the compass on I've ever messed around with. Oh, it just takes forever. Okay, so I see no toilet bowling or anything like that. Let me see, let me check out the follow me feature on it. I know the other one I had a hard time getting it to work on the other one. Well, the follow me on this one is just as haunted as it was on the other one, so they haven't changed that at all. It's just, it gets weird. Okay, it gets weird. Let's take off again. It won't let you, once you put it into the follow me mode, the sticks, it doesn't do any. There's no input from the sticks at all. Look how high that thing, goes up when it starts. So never take this thing off in the house or it's gonzo. Okay, so I switched it over to altitude hold mode. Seems to fly about the same to me. And then the last mode is Headless Mode. So let's try that out. Yeah, works great. Yep. The gimbal looks a little cockeyed, so I think I'm gonna have to do a gimbal calibration on it. Okay, I'm gonna put it back in the GPS mode. Okay, I'm gonna land it real quick, check the motors, see what kind of heat's on them. Well, I'll tell you one thing, they made the landing gear wider in this one. The other one, I would always tip over when I landed it. It was always tip over. This one, they spread out the landing gear. Okay, the motors were barely warm at all. I mean, just hardly a noticeable. So that's a good thing. Let's take off again. I want to hold the camera here so you guys can see how high this thing goes when it takes off. Okay, so if you take that off in your house, you're screwed. Yeah, that camera is... Yeah, well, I'm happy with it. You know, this first flight, it seems very stable. I'll get that gimbal worked out, get it calibrated or whatever. we'll figure it out. But other than that, seems to fly really nice. Has a better feel, a flight feel to it than the first one. It's a better unit than the first one. There's no doubt about that. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video. Definitely better than the original. No doubt. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Okay.